Hello and welcome back to the 30-day guitar challenge where I am teaching you how to master this instrument from scratch. If this is your first time catching one of these videos, know that there are a few other videos before this to help you get to your first song, which is what we're doing today. We're going to be playing Zombie by the Cranberries. We will need chords E minor. I'm playing this with my index and middle finger because the middle finger is already in the position for the next chord, which is C. Then our next chord is G, so we do have to do a hop. What I'm doing here is when I let go of C, look up, I'm using the bed of my index finger, look up, to rest and help me make that switch. So I'm not resting there the whole time. It's a little subtle movement. I rest there, I land the chord, and then I adjust. And then the final chord is D. Make sure that you're not touching strings E and A there. There are 3 different strumming patterns I've added on the Printable. Those strumming patterns are so that whatever level you're at, you can play. So the first level is just down strums. The second strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. This is a strumming pattern that we learned in our strumming day. It was like the last strumming pattern. Now, if you're more advanced, I added a very advanced strumming pattern. This is down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And each pattern will happen once per chord. So let me change the camera angle so that you can see all of the strumming patterns in action. Alrighty, here we go. Simple strumming pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and switch now. Switch now. Switch now. Back to E minor. C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D. If this was too challenging for you, then what I'd like for you to do is give me just the downbeats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3. That works. Okay? And then work your way up to those down strums. Now let's do the intermediate strumming pattern. 1 and 2 and ready. Go now. Down, down, up, down. Switch. G, D. Again. C. Think ahead. Ready, go. 2, ready, go. Nice. Now, let's say that you're having a difficult time switching chord and keep the strumming pattern going. What's more important, to have the fingers on the chord or to keep the strumming hand? Well, it's to keep the strumming hand going. So even if you're still switching, make your strumming hand be like a clock. You know, the clock has the seconds and it's always moving. Make your hand that. Whereas the opposite would happen if you stop strumming to land a perfect chord. Look. Now let me review the most advanced strumming pattern for those of you who are ready for that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. If you're doing the intermediate strumming pattern, that is this, I would like for you to eventually add a chuck throughout the song so that you build it somehow. Okay, so now I have a different camera angle where hopefully you can see everything. I'm going to play the beginner's strumming pattern, but if you choose another one, it's okay. We will still line up because E minor always happens on that first beat. Okay, so now we're at the verse and the chord progression is the same. E minor, C, G, D. So you can memorize this song. I'm not a singer, I'm more of an instrumentalist, but I will sing this part because I know it helps to guide with the chords. So let's try it. Sing with me, please. 1, 2, verse 2, ready, go. Another head hangs, fully child is slowly taking. And the violence caused such sound. in their bums and their, see, their guns in their head, they are crying. So now let's do a little bit of the chorus, and that'll be it. Okay, here we go. Breathe. Okay, 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, 3. In your head, in your head, bring something, what's in your head? Keep going. Yeah. Keep going. And on a E minor, and hold the instrument. Don't move. Freeze. Let the sound fade on its own. Wow, this has really, really long tones. And then release. So I'm using the Ortega family series. This is the R122SN. So in case you liked the sound of today's video, there's that option. This is a full-size classical guitar, but it has a slimmer neck. So if you were intimidated of classical guitars because of that really wide neck, this might be an option you might like. So I'll add a link to the specific instrument down below, just in case you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.